Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. So I just finished filming another video, the sheer blush video. I got up, I stepped outside my door, and I saw that my husband had brought in a big box for me, and I'm like, perfection! I have time to film another video real quick. So this is going to be the unboxing of my spring FabFitFun box. I've been getting FabFitFun, but I haven't been unboxing them on my channel because since I'm an annual subscriber, I am allowed to say, hey, I don't want this season's box. Instead, I would like credit towards your add-on sales, which if you're not acquainted with FabFitFun is a subscription service. They send like a home and like lifestyle and fitness box once quarterly. And like I said, I have been opting out of the box so that I can get credit towards their sales that they run, which they often have like deeply discounted skincare and things. So oftentimes I want to use my money for that. But this time I decided I wanted the box. So I'm really excited. I haven't unboxed a subscription box with you guys in a long time. I used to do this a lot. It's been a long time, but I'm really excited to do this. And so I actually had to stop myself. I was about to rip it open and get into it. In fact, I got it open, but I was like suddenly remembering, I was like, oh no, I was gonna film that. So let's get started. So in the big box, I have the actual subscription box, and then I have my add-ons. So I did have some add-ons this time. So let me quick pull those out. This first thing, oh, this isn't an add-on. This was like a promotional product that if you spent a certain amount, you got this free product. So this was the Smart Water Renew with dandelion lemon extract. That actually sounds interesting. If this doesn't have stevia in it or any sort of like fake sugar, I will be delighted to try this. I don't see anything like that in here. So anyway, that should be interesting to try. Okay, for the very first time ever, I decided to try a spongele. FabFitFun sells these all the time in their sales, and I have never tried one. They sent me one time in a mystery box one of these, but it was like a, I don't know, Bulgarian rose or something, and the scent of it was so intense, I could smell it from like this far away while it was still inside the box. Like this, I couldn't stand to use it. I didn't even open it. I gave it to a friend. I hope she liked it. But anyway, the scent that I ordered is Freesia Pear, which I always thought sounded lovely. So the Spongele is this little buffer that is infused with body wash that is supposed to be lovely. People like go nuts over these. It smells good. I'm hoping that I like it. Okay, I'm excited about this. So next up, I have this Laura Geller Original Baked Highlighter Duo. So it's one of those products that has one side one color and the other side another color. And I've always heard people really like these. People really, really like these, and you can't just really buy them at Ulta or anything. It's not at Ulta. Every once in a while they'll show up in FabFitFun. Okay, I cannot get this box open. I'm gonna have to rip it. And they had it on a really good price. So I was like, okay, I'm finally just I want to try it. Okay, so here's what the compact looks like. It is a duo highlighter. So on one side, we have, I believe, French Poodle, and on this side, French Almond, which I am concerned that French Almond might be too deep, but let's swatch these. They're supposed to be like the most low intensity highlighters. Like they're just supposed to be beautiful with no glitter. Okay, French Poodle looks nice. And I might be able to make that work. That looks kind of peachy. So here we have the swatches of French Poodle, and again, was it French? Yeah, French Almond. Again, they look nice and sheeny, but not glittery. I'm really excited to try this. I never thought, I don't know, I just wasn't really thinking I would want to try one of these, but all of a sudden I'm just really excited to try this. And I haven't bought a highlighter in quite a while. I've been pretty happy with my highlighter collection, so that will be fun to try. Next up, I have a shampoo and conditioner duo. This is from a brand I have never heard of. It just was one of those things where it had they looked nice. I just kind of want to try something. This is made in Denmark by House of Cosmetics. Ecooking.com is the name of these. The Repair Shampoo and the Repair Conditioner. It's for dry and normal hair. Anyway, I just kind of bought these on a whim. I've been wanting to try something new, so that's that. I'm quite excited about this. This is kitchenware. I ordered a Dutch oven. In one of the previous boxes, there was the cutest little Dutch oven sent in the box, and they were selling the larger version of it. And I'm like, ooh, matching cookware. Happiness. So I decided to order the larger one as well. I'm gonna have to go get a scissors to open this. Oh, yay! So that's what it looks like. Yay, I'm happy about that. The lid is kind of wedged inside here. There we go. Yes, I am so happy about that. I remember being surprised when I got my first one how small it was. And this one isn't even that gigantic. It's just kind of normal sized, right? So this is from a brand, what's it called? Golden Rabbit Enamelware. So I think it's super, super cute. I can't wait to use it. All right, those are my add-ons. Now we can get to the actual box. Let's pause for a moment and take a thumbnail. Did I say this is the spring box? I think this is actually the summer box. Yes, the summer box. So the FabFitFun has really gotten to the point now where the whole thing is pretty customizable. If you're an annual member, you can customize your whole box. If you're a seasonal subscriber, you can customize most of your box. So I do pay annually just for the benefit of being able to choose my entire box. I have decided that it is well worth it. I hated getting stuff that I didn't want in my box. Okay, so first, as always, on top there's like a whole bunch of coupons and stuff, some cute little stickers, and they have the FabFitFun magazine talking about all the products that are inside the box. Oh, here's another sample. This one is from Liquid IV. This is the, what is it? It's a non-GMO electrolyte drink mix. All right, let's start with on the top. So this is from the brand Kayo. This is a body scrubber. I don't remember this product. I am a little concerned that I don't remember this product because I should remember this product with what I chose. And no, I'm pretty sure I did not choose this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's entirely possible that I have forgotten what I chose, but I don't even remember seeing this. I'm just gonna set this aside. I might be wrong. I might have chosen it. Let's move on to other things. I do remember choosing this. So this is from Malin and Goats. This is the grapefruit face cleanser. In the past, we're talking ages ago, when I was subscribed to Birchbox, I tried a sample of this and I remember liking it. And I think this is in one of the categories of where you got to choose different things where I really didn't want the other things. I knew I liked this. Okay, it is nice and sealed. I'm always happy to see that. Sometimes the items aren't sealed, so I'm happy to see it sealed. I'm gonna set that aside. I will move on to this after I'm done with my current cleanser. So that is like a solid good thing. I'm happy with this. And I chose a sunscreen from Tula. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So you guys know how much I love to test sunscreens. Love, love, love it. I have tried one from Tula before. Or maybe I haven't. I think I've just tried their cleanser and not necessarily the sunscreen. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a little tube. It's supposed to have probiotics and superfoods in it, and it is a chemical sunscreen. I'm not gonna open it just this minute because I have a lot of open sunscreens, but I'm happy to be giving this a try eventually. From Grace and Stella, the Everything is Better in Pink eye masks. Again, this is in a category where I didn't really want anything else, and I know that I enjoy eye masks. This is what the eye masks look like, and this is a pack of 12 pairs. So I will use these, so I'm happy about that. Here we have a candle. I really hope I like the scent of this. I'm a little scared. This is from Lasting Smiles. This is the Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. I really like candles, but I tend to be kind of picky with scents, so let's see. Okay, I can tolerate that. I'm so happy. So it's, you know, it's just a candle. It looks like something you could get at TJ Maxx or whatever. But I like candles, so I'm happy with that. Next up, I chose the towel, which I like it when they have towels in their summer boxes because they're always fun and big. And it's just not normally something I buy for myself. I don't really live near a beach, so like beach towels aren't something I buy, but there have been occasions where I'm like, man, I wish I had a nice, big, fun beach towel. So that is what I ordered this time. Oh yeah, it's really big. It's nice and big, perfect for laying out on the sand on those extremely rare occasions when I get to do so. Now is when we get to the star of the show. They had a extra nice product that you could pay a little extra to get put in your box. I decided I really wanted to try this. This is the Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush, which I've always wanted to try one of these. You guys may have noticed that hair isn't really my forte. It kind of stresses me out. I have watched a plethora of YouTube videos to learn how to do, and I don't know, cute things with my hair, and I'm just not good at hair, guys. So my hair kind of does its own thing, but I'm hopeful I can figure out how to use this tool and get prettier hair. And it's from Foxy Bay. Zoop. Oh, here we go. Zoop. Ooh, there it is. fell out. Something fell out. Oh, the instruction thing. Ooh, okay. It feels nice. It feels like a quality tool. Not like I've used a whole lot of those in my life, but it just feels nice. I'm sure I'll be looking up YouTube videos of how to use this thing. But I'm kind of excited by the idea of a brush that is also a hairdryer. All right, I'm gonna quick go on my FabFitFun account because again, I really don't recognize that body scrubber. I don't know if it was accidentally put in my box or if they just didn't send me the right thing. And I don't remember what else I might have chosen for my box. So I'm gonna quick check and see if there was any mistake. Okay, so I just logged into my account and it says that this was a bonus surprise item. Okay, that's fine with me. So it's supposed to be a body scrubber. Am I supposed to put my fingers in this? I don't know, but it does have like little silicone-y nubbies on it. It might be nice for scrubbing. Yeah. In any case, since I was able to choose all the items in my box, I'm quite happy with it. If any of you also get FabFitFun, let me know. How did you enjoy the add-on sale? Did you get the items that you wanted in your box? Are you happy overall? I love hearing all of the reviews and comments. I still really enjoy getting my one subscription box. I've canceled all my other ones and I do enjoy still getting this one. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you had a great day today. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.